Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today let's talk about 5 easy to grow summer vegetables. So the first vegetable that I will recommend everyone to grow is tomatoes. Tomatoes are so versatile, every kind of cuisine uses tomatoes a lot. You can use them in curries, you can use them in sauces, in pizza, in pasta, as in salads, in soups. It is so versatile. So, and it is easy to grow too. So, tomato is my number one recommendation. And the only thing is that when you are growing tomatoes, make sure that you use the cages to support the plants. Otherwise, they'll just fall all over and, they'll not grow well. So just make sure when your tomato plant is young, put the cage so that the branches are supported. And because when the tomatoes start growing, they can be really heavy. If you don't cook, you can grow grape or cherry tomatoes, because then you can use them in salads. If you cook, then you can use any kind of tomatoes, whether it is beefsteak tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, so many different kinds of tomatoes. But definitely you should grow tomatoes. The second vegetable that I'll recommend everyone to grow is peppers. You can grow bell peppers, you can grow, sweet peppers like this, you can grow poblano peppers or chili peppers, whatever you like. They grow just like a straight plant, so they don't need too much of space and you don't need to give any support. So, and once it starts to produce peppers, it will keep doing that the whole summer. And it is really easy to grow, just put the plants in and keep giving it sun and water and it will be just fine. The third vegetable that I highly recommend is zucchini or summer squash. They once the plants become healthy and they become about 2 feet tall, they start to produce these squashes, and you don't really need to do much. All you need to make sure is that the soil is rich and it gets a lot of sun and it gets a lot of water, and that's about it. But in case of zucchini, because these the plants can be really tall and these stems can be really thick, it is better when the plant is still young that you put a tall stake close to it and tie it to the stake. That way it will not fall all over the place and it will just, the stake will guide it to grow straight up. The fourth vegetable that I would recommend growing is beans. It grows as a vine, so you have to give it the support of some trellis, or here I have a trellis in the back, and then it is going over the fence, over the tree. So you need to have that support, but it is really fun thing to do, especially with the kids, because the seeds are big, so they can plant the seeds and they grow really fast. So once the plants become big, they start producing these beans. So it's really fun for kids because they can see the growth. Otherwise, they get impatient and they'll just, move away from this project. But because beans grow so fast, it is interesting. And the only thing is that you have to have a trellis or some kind of support so that it can climb on top of that, because, all the vines, if they get a support to climb on, they do better. The fifth vegetable is actually, leafy greens. So this is amaranth. So amaranth is a superfood. Their leaves are full of iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K. They have a lot of potassium. So you should definitely grow this. And it is so easy to grow. You just scatter some seeds and they start to grow. So once the plant is mature, they have so many leaves, so you can just chop off the leaves and leave, at least a few leaves at the bottom, and more shoots will come out and they'll regrow. For example, here in this planter, I have so many of these plants, and you can see that I have chopped them off and new shoots start to come and they start to grow. So you can keep using the leaves. And here is another planter in which I have grown the seeds, and here is another one. And if you don't like to make curry out of it, you can just saute them, or you can just add them in your sauces, in your pizza, in your pasta, and that will be fine too. And if you put a few leaves, handful of leaves, it's not going to change the taste of your dish, but you will get all the goodness of these leaves. So highly recommended. And they don't need too much of space. This is just one plant, it's growing in a planter, so you just keep chopping it and keep it pruned and keep using the leaves. So to summarize, tomatoes is my first choice, peppers, all sorts of peppers, whatever you like, zucchini or summer squash, beans, and amaranth. So these are the 5 vegetables which are really easy to grow, and like any other vegetables, they require a lot of sun, lot of water, and rich soil. But other than that, there are not that many issues with these vegetables. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.